Hi guys, how's everyone doing today? Welcome back to LuxemumTV. If you are new here, my name is Grace and welcome to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back. I really do appreciate every one of you. So guys, my natural hair is looking beautiful. It's growing. Now I can make it into two, cornrow going to the back, and I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. So one of these days I will share with you the hair product that I'm using, and it's really helping me out. The shedding is less now, unlike before when I comb the hair and I will have a lot of shed, but now it's getting better and it's getting longer. Okay guys, today's topic is not about hair. Okay, all right, I have an unboxing here guys, a Coach unboxing for you, and I'm just gonna go straight into it. Okay, so guys, let's go now. So let me take it out of the bag. Ta-da! This is what I have for you guys. Isn't it so pretty? This is so beautiful, and this from Coach. I'm really loving Coach these days guys. I am loving Coach these days. They are bringing out beautiful designs, and I am here for it. Okay, yeah, so this Coach is called, hold on guys, let me bring out the label. This is the label, and it is called the Midnight Navy. That's what they call it, Midnight Navy. I don't know why they call it navy, but we have red here, right? All right, so let me look for the proper name of this Coach handbag. I have all of the details right here. Okay guys, it is called the Georgie. This is the Coach Georgie, and is in pebble leather. Okay guys, called pebble leather. I had to look at the receipt so I can tell you what it is. This is the little care booklet for it. Okay, all right, this is the right tag guys. This is the wrong tag. Okay, I think this is the tag for the other item I'm gonna be unboxing as well. So this is the right tag. It says Bright Poppy, and is the Coach Georgie, like I said. All right, so original price is $344.99, and of course I snagged it up for sale. Okay, there was a sale and I had to get it. Okay, all right guys, so this is what it looks like, all leather, and here they have the pebble leather in the middle, and this is the smooth leather, and it has that horse and carriage closure here. Here is the D-ring, and you can wear this as also a crossbody with the top handle, which I like as well. This is the tag. Has the Coach name on there, and nowadays I see people go in the store and they put their initials here. You can do that as well if you choose to. Okay, and this is the crossbody handle. Okay, so it comes with the chain and adjustable strap. Okay, so that strap is adjustable. You can wear as crossbody. Okay, so no matter your height, you should be able to use this as crossbody. All right, so guys, I also got a twilly or a skinny scarf. It depends on how you want to call it. So this is the skinny scarf, and that was the tag I was reading the first time, so I got it wrong. Okay, so this one is the Midnight Navy twilly or skinny scarf. Okay, So this is it here, and this is it right here. Okay, so this twilly, you can use it in both sides. Here has the navy and the white, and also here has the white, and the CCs are in navy. The CCs over here are in white. The CCs over here are in navy, and it's quite long. Okay, so I'm going to be using it to wrap the handle of this bag, just to give it a little beautification as well. Okay, so guys, let's go and do that now. So guys, I was contemplating what side to use, the blue or the white, but I think because since the handbag is red, any side will go. Okay, so we will just start off. I'm going to use the blue. Okay, I'm going to use the blue side out so that it will look nice. So put it in here. What I'll do, I put it in, then I give it a little tie so that it stays down. Okay, and I'm going to use this longer one and try to wrap around the handbag. I'm not an expert in doing this, guys. Okay, so I'm just using my discretion to do it and make it as tight as possible, so you can overlap and go over it as many times as you can. Okay, it has a tag here. I will leave the tag. I will try and tuck it in. I don't want to take the tag off. So you can use your twilly not only for your bag, you can use it as a scarf for your hair, you know, just to make you look beautiful. So I'm gonna tuck it in, then bring it out and pull it down. Okay, the twilly, guys. Maybe I should shorten this one a little bit. And this is what it looks like at the back. All right, guys, so let's do a mud shot and see how this handbag look like. So without the strap, this is what it looks like. I am loving it. I love it. I love it, guys. So thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Check out this Coach store, okay? Hopefully they still have it. Bye, guys.